Wherever you are, I hope you are doing well. Natural disasters on the event channel, you are welcome. An unthinkable storm has unleashed chaos upon the tranquil streets of Brescia, Italy. The skies, once serene, transformed into a battlefield, as hailstones the size of tennis balls rained down with relentless fury. This was no ordinary storm. It was a nightmare come to life. In a matter of moments, the city was plunged into chaos. 110 people injured. Cars destroyed. Windows shattered. Lives forever changed. The Veneto region, known for its breathtaking beauty, brought to its knees by a force of nature so shocking it defied belief. Emergency services responded to over 500 desperate calls, racing against time to reach those trapped in the storm's unforgiving grip. Glass, once a shield of protection, became a deadly weapon. And in the midst of this chaos, tragedy struck. A cyclist, out on a ride, lost his life in a tragic accident as his wife looked on in horror. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more daily content. Stay tuned for more updates and videos coming your way. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Goodbye, and see you in the next one.